Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. Going to take a look at the Euro versus US dollar to start the new trading week. Today's date is December 2nd, 2024. Let's get started. In trading last week, we gapped higher on Monday, moved lower to more or less fill the gap down here before rotating back to the upside. Now, there was lots of ups and downs on Monday and Tuesday's trading. Finally, on Wednesday, we started to see a more break to the upside. That move to the upside took the price toward a swing level near the 1.05926 level. Level correspond with different swing lows, mainly going back to here where we had two swing lows here forming a floor. Fell below that level, used that level as a resistance and moved to the downside. We came back up to that level, moved to the downside. We traded above and below level here before using that level right here before moving to the low price that we saw in the month of November. Then we started to rotate back to the upside again on Wednesday's trade. The price came up toward that level, rotated back lower toward these moving averages, and then was ultimately able to break above that level during Friday's trade, but only so briefly. The price moved up toward the 1.0600 level, but found early sellers against this higher swing area between 1.0600 and 1.06097, and rotated back to the downside before rotating higher into the close. So it was an up and down trading week after moving higher earlier in the week, but this key ceiling near the 106 level did find resistance in trading here today. We saw the price open lower, and we have since moved lower. The current price is down around minus 0.37%, so pretty decent move in the first few minutes of trading, or first few hours of trading in the Asian Pacific session to start the new trading week, as worries about European growth start to weigh on the euro once again after last week's rise. The move to the downside, however, has run into some key support. That support is defined by the 100-hour moving average. That's a blue line in the chart, comes in at 1.05305, and you can see the price came down toward that level and pretty much found support in the current hourly bar and the prior hourly bar as well to start the trading week. Below that level is a 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in the chart, comes in 1.05188. Getting below both those levels, we increase the bearish bias, have traders looking toward this swing area, which is more relevant off the 4-hour chart. Just take my word for it. But it takes the price down below the 105 level to 104.83. On the downside, get below that level, opens the door for further downside potential for the euro versus US dollar. But first things first, we have this support right near the 100 and 200-hour moving averages. Traders will need to get below those levels to increase the bearish bias. If it can't, then the buyers are still in play. But they would need to see the price move back above the 38.2% retracement to increase the bullish bias and have traders looking toward that 106 level on the top side. So that's my technical look at the euro versus US dollar to start the new trading week. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.